And today I wanted to talk about a quick design tip when it comes to Azure Data Factory pipelines. And specifically what I want to talk about is that if you are using a ForEach loop within your pipeline, if you're using a ForEach activity, I should say, if you wanted to use another loop inside your loop, that option is not available in Azure Data Factory. So if you are working inside of one ForEach loop, and I'll show you on the screenshot here, the option to choose an additional ForEach loop inside your loop is just not available. So the design tip is that if you've come across a scenario like this where you wanted to do a loop inside of a loop, would be simply to create an additional pipeline as a separate object, and then in that second pipeline is where you could put your second loop. So as you can see from my screenshot here, I'm working in the context of one ForEach loop, and so this pipeline will be executed one time for each item in my list, but that pipeline then in turn is where I do have an additional ForEach loop. So this is just a quick little design tip to get around the fact that we cannot, through the designer, add a ForEach loop if I'm already working inside of a ForEach loop. I hope you found this quick tip useful. If you have any questions about Azure Data Factory or the Azure Cloud Data Platform in your organization, please reach out and let us know. Thank you.